This is a square cabin hospital located in Changsha, Hunan, China. The project covers an area of 113,700 square meters and a building area of 48,000 square meters. The building adopts prefabricated and modular design. Taking the container house unit as the basic unit, each container unit is 3 meters wide, 5.95 meters long, and 2.8 meters high. The project consists of a two-story structure with a sloped roof. The project includes 4 light wards, 1 emergency hospital ward, 6 medical dormitories, 0 emergency ward beds, equipped with shelter CT, PCR laboratory, mobile CT, mobile doctor and other medical equipment. Equipped with integrated bathroom, air conditioner, water heaters and other ancillary equipment.